What's your Cata Vybz? We have celebrated everything. And I should have what you can do.
Para tudo mobo.
Abakutagura the platform, so it's beyond music. So, but basically, tomorrow it's about music. So, basically, at least abantu abinyambere mu myaka 12 mu game egi ija bansapotinga event egi twayongera kwereka mukweri Western Uganda music ekizira omusingi gw'amaanyi okukuleta entaasya omu region egi because wa promoting omwana omwe wadiro wa promoting it creates employment. So you worry for promoter or blogger or influencer, that's another source of income. So supporting you're creating employment to that talent. So in Basharana or the channel promoting something from Western Uganda with a live band. I think Dijo Muhimwe Kukayaga Omega Nation or a live band. So when I came up with an idea, I talked to the management, which is it's okay, we can do it with you everything. We want to give the performance another experience. Then the Kataleya Kandles, these are my people, these are my friends in Kampala. So management here, they are my people, they've been supporting me here and there. So when I came up with an idea, Cata Vybz Lau Wyne in the management of New Era Music. So basically me on their side, I'm being their consultant. So they consult me on here and there. I give them proposals. They implement them in the market. I believe in the last 2 years, they've become a force to respond with on radio age. So beyond that, I'm on Radio West. You all know I work with Radio West. Attracting people like Kataleya Kandle come back to Western Uganda and they start looking for collaborations. Because Kampala, the results are census Abaganda compared to Ankole and Abachiba. So when we get these collaborations out there, because I'm going to Uganda, we can get something that can go national. So over the Kataleya Kandle, they're also looking at potential collaboration then from different producers and different people they can work out with. So in Simanaland, I was supporting the page. But in 1 month, people were interested in associating with me. So tomorrow, I can confirm to you at least for the tables we are already sold out. So we expect to have a good turnout. So come and look here, but in America, because we are already sold out. So you don't know what it is. I mean, we are over money for feeding up. Then one in the one.
What's to tell the Zaman?
Well, talk about that issue of expecting, but tomorrow, the issue is that you talk about that, I did really know that. But when I released the Telewa, that was my breakthrough. Staka didn't know Taylor. This man posted that song. And when he posted this, a friend of mine at the jogging box in Anjali, we are posting while stay at Java. I was like, seriously? So, this means everything of Shawaman in this industry. That means we reach a whole nation. So I had your control who was an MTV Noah. Shana Yom is when you that is okay. You understand? But yeah, it's business aid, what in the post at each MTV because of the industry, I I believe buli omwe namanya who MVP is and what is capable of doing. So actually, I think that's it. Then the job expecting that when you know me when I step on stage, my fans that are sitting on stage know. So tomorrow is going to be different when you're performing that. I want that is a very, very different experience, and I want to give you the best.
Thank you so much, Omega.
Almost, I think I want to thank NKORE. Thank you so much. You really been us since day one. Thank you so much. I think first shows that the soca. One of our shows that we want to talk about. Thank you so much for the love and support you're showing us. And this time around, your moms are back in town. You should expect the perfect, like everything. You should expect everything. Thank you so much.
I want to thank everybody. I think about what I'm doing, it's really big that person at this moment. And even when we got issues, it's been there in everything. There was a money, music, you know, I'm posting in everything. We're so happy to give back to him because the things he does, if you're in Kampala, you've been in the music industry, you cannot pay him enough money. You cannot give him money that is enough. Or move in is the best thing you can do because what he does, I don't think you can give him money that can compensate for what he does. So we are so happy and we're going to give our best. We are excited to be back in Barra. So let's hope for the best. So many now it's
so that twamala emyaka ey'omwaka gwa kataano okutwamala ku industry and MVP ekyakoze is a great impact. We are appreciative you done ozikolera bingi music tobasize bikitiba omunyanja etali mwenemu districts enyingi actually na Kampala. So Dan is a good man, he has done a lot for us. Then society yambare yes, no, teacher is at least you guys love your man, which means it's a kind of position. Because if it is not that, I don't appreciate it. So thank you everyone. Media houses, promoting music in Western Uganda. These guys have done a lot. So we thank you guys. MVP we want to know Mukama Akonjero.
Ati akwa MVP atobere kitwe. Nibasa kuja mu ekitwali tuli okitwendo ngo MVP atobani twe baramat kuna kwamitina bajedes bashukran baspax matole halafu okugombanya kutwaza omuntu kumusimba omujakukolere omujo bitugaba nakole so jakale mujugayi kumolekera abo bamuvulere omulongole wajitegereza endani webale abanyamagurre mwebale abo bamwabugalo tukabifimba batumwe bwe bale kwakanisa na Western twakamuje ekintu anditakali sofai kutuzine sofai kutuzine abatafutumanya manya kutotwatikwata medongo tukikayarra so kutokumanya mucakale sokubahereza ekintu ekizibu nebale nonga.
Jaha, Vishongozi, media personalities, producers, and the artists. It is over. I'm representing Vishongozi. Those who are going to sing. And now, I will see them tomorrow to be around. It's a one that was an MVP. When an MVP to the You know, when you start most musically, every time you go up to a commercial, it's Layla. Actually, the song Layla, this guy is the first person to push that song. That's when I realized that actually I can sing. And that's why I'm here. Very many people are wondering why I'm here. It's because of that. Even when the people who were around me were not believing in me. The least person I thought would believe in me is MVP. You get it? So I really appreciate him for that. And I want to appreciate everyone who has been there for the music industry. Mostly, whenever they are actually, however many abandi bakamanitingaho twateza endongo yalema dire akamwambiraho bukezi endongo teyanguyingonka try. And these are the people I've grown up with. Shukran. Actually, Shukran gave me my first stage performance because Lord Bakaba bouncing on me. But he did, so now I'm supporting.
Yes.
Dan MVP, we appreciate you so much. Because I try to tell you very serious. Nobody can tell you. Na nitakuelewaza au kuwa wakabi. Maksud or producer Kandle artist time hii na shoti changui. Anyway, thank you for your time. Bless you.
Thank you so much, JKs.
Maybe JKs echinanyenda after Kandle recently when we had the last press conference here, Roya Kajambo in NKORE appreciated. Maybe JKs and our software assurance that when I was in management, I was not negotiating, I was actually paying rent card.
Shongejo, Tohol. Me personally, your convention was MVP now was up Manyango. A convention was tiny. You know, what's up to them, yeah? Chaliwa and tiny now, second. I guess but with growth, no when you level up, you have to put in. You get like the music industry is not for free. I believe MVP Bajam na 2 seconds, he has to be paid. You get like it is a must. Very many people of you here have to be paid because you have to pay rent. You have to, some of us we have families, you know. So when I call you here and be like, yo, you come for free, you pay your border, you come and leave just for because it, you know. So I believe of such a right there and not Mushashura. I will be accurate. You have to call it. Watch it. So anyway, at my level, nani basete tano, nizakura. Nizakumeza shekeli. Nayo nderaho kabanga kaomega kabanga Kataleya akakateka chakula ila sina sasula ticket ade tosubira kusasula ticket kuanga nange nyemba zange za kabitseke
Kampala washitereza stance zikola nnyo mostly wide events ngezo kubanga baba nonyana muri chona page kokongerako nekati dani ya creating ngachisa ku mitimbagano solo chikanyirwamo naye abadongo tebakitegera mangu era abagezi bakola ki nebakipikinga ku shows ogenda okulaba kati 70% shows ezifuga ezakaliwa ziba zirina kwe zitambulidde bakudya kunyegundi oba gundi agyemu olubuto oba gundi yamange naye dani ekyayo kimwebaliza ate ndonga akikuba music w'abaana baffe namuteera ekyo kyozikiriziganya naye endonga agikuba abashamu kamutakubamanyi yabatuka nabatulitotubamanyi tubakyabigamba nti ogunoho nogundo ogunoho so ekyo nekimukundira dani MVP kandi kugira ngo ndibize mbwemanye ntulumu ezagula tiketi kakubaze kyetanoe njagula tiketi 2 mukama wange zijja kumala ezo yange sinakusuubiza yange ebalyakashi wano netukita
era oli mu kamera mukama waffe
ojakatemamu so munazikiriza nina abakulu abalala begenda okumiitinga manyi nange esho yange otuve waddangi tugenda wano so mujja kuzikiriza ebisigadde mbagaliza ekisima mukama atukulembera ate fena tujja kumalako kubanga tewali mukama kyatalingalisa bulaki iten omwozi wange spark producer instrument waliwadde otuula wano instrument lwaki olibabi ogwo ne producer witu nawantu ndamunongooko mwana mulebe ate kyonji baproducer bakwatagana ba MC bakwatagana Kataleya Kandle wanendoleiya kalo muzibanire ekamba naye walutinda muzibu okujjako onyiza abantu
Thank you so much, Shukran MC. Instrument, we next month to go in Akubuza, Dan MVP, the right time, Tukaka Zindaro, Moya TV.
Twajiraho amani twareba aba Kando, Queen witu wa Kunuya, Omega. So ekitikwenda kubuuza posters zawe totiyoho beshongozi babashiija ahabwenki okozesa abakazi bonka.
It is to show abantu bali tomorrow that omwishahara wena nawo entertainment naona abasafishira because it's a male-dominated game, but it can only be made possible by the MVP y'amafuti pressing akakiteko mu bantu. Then because I did public relations, because there's what they call ignorance to awareness. We need to transfer people. People may be ignorant about that women can also play children. So it's nice. This was written by MVP. Kuba accepting sawa kaya yes. Omana wanekamu kifurire yali okishare DJ abomesho was abe wanyere bizabish this time round. Kana nekindi MVP. Tokansa koyo mugendo myaka 10 over manoleta abantu bali. I need to show that I've done work so that at least I can show there's another person that MVP can lead and she takashite.
Thank you so much. Next, we are seeing Seremo Ambara.
Abantu baruga Kampala bagenda batandebe. So mweba nunga izina lyatende Beyazini ZJ Seremo Ambara, spokesperson Western Brokers Association. Ekibuuzo nangubirifuna nagenda atibona bene kamera baziyo akubona akumbere n'impurikiza twaza mu rugambo twayetora history n'ikiri cyakanyambe kineki, but in summary we want to know what is going to happen, when will it happen, and netutayira muzinga watuga na urate bozonga ziri sold out. So njasigara nebyamusha ninga katero kushasho. So you give us a summary of that event. Kwa auto kutato
So like I told you, when you're confident with what you're pushing or what you're marketing, it's very attached. It's very attached. Recently in Development, which should not be the case of the may not have afforded the 50K. So my interest is 20K. Why VP is low? Three things. Because we need to market, we need to attach value to these artists. That's why I need to shababa kama webara wali muri bara shino stopping ekintu okushanga noleta beshongoza ana wantu wakabalendera pia maslewa. So ekintu kiyo market tulenga mwatesa mushongoza wa mureta abantu bashishule bakurebe ko nona kugira value wa mani
kale sio yuza kola business.
Yeah, mazina kukola business Western Brokers Treasurer. Treasurer Western Brokers Association.
No, they Kataleya Kandle. What they have a picture. Really, I have pictures of the Omano Kumuchi. I have a top graph.
The Joe Baba Singozi.
ogw'omwanya kimu kiina kubeera buhanvu. So another thing, one thing you need to know and about influencer Wejebar. So first of all, I need to show my boss here and have impact. So next time I'm in a brand, I have a following. Two, man who's on executive meetings, just like one reach. So this is the test project for something bigger in future. So let's first do it. I think this is going to be one of show from the region for an artist from the region being charged at 20k. It is actually kind of sticking at 50k. But maybe I jump down and off later the center won't cover a bike and walk over and I just okay. Whenever I buy a bike and touch it, if you see my first artwork, they are 50k. Actually, so in the Kampala, the Batman shows them for the good in the so we can also do it from Western Uganda. And the Chokchukora, Yedana, Namuyo TV, and one was celebrating 100 years. So next year I celebrate Momaka Poetry and a festival so
yeah, thank you. Western Uganda bloggers, Mwagoba president. Now here is what are you China Chibuzo? Okay. Atufuneyo nga chimu bibiri tumalirize.
My question to Dan, I just want to ask you a question. We've known you as someone who is so capable. If you talk about MVP, you know he's going to tell you that, girl, you look so ugly, and here our audience, it is, they still have that monetary element in them. Like if they believe in something, that is what they believe in. So I want to ask you, where is your strength? How come that you pushed your brand for all these years, that tomorrow we are here to celebrate Dan MVP as someone who is capable? Because as JK has mentioned, most people think that you're against the industry. So how have you managed this? How have you pushed this? Thank you.
But I had hope. After some time, to improve in production. So MVP, so if you're an artist and you want to approach MVP, at least you are in the best production. Because music is competitive. And studios Katanya is in a quality work. So embrace quality work. You will have so many people who will push. Can element of Jamu, innovation was in a mindset, that's a big lie. You must have people who are going to do poco for your craft. Actually, inabishiba rujabari mu Katale, inabishiba rujabari mu Kabakwiramba ebitina okubaga. Actually, so utashoboza cyesho mu rujuru kayamkiza kwitamuza. Please invest in your promotion, invest in your marketing. Then ikintu kitambulete. Then unfortunately today we were supposed to have Hailey Baby, the biggest artist in Kasese, but she's going to be here tomorrow. She's coming to support the function. So what I want to do as far as Kasese to come and attend an MVP function, at least my influence is beyond boundaries. Can innovation was I've been a mindset, maybe a Takakuzila, please come and support this event. But no, come to this function, learn something. Because I'm bringing connections here. Fortunately, we have instrumental here. It's come here to attend the press. I'm giving a platform to this instrumental. So, Kataleya Kandle, like I told you, they are here. You've been seeing them on TV in Ankole. They're going to give you guys a few interviews. You can share. Maybe you grow a following on what? On your social handle. Omega is also here. So, the Catholic people in Rabomu are here because you never know next year if I decide to do season 2, because my bosses are also going to be here tomorrow. Because I'm still pitching it to them, at least every year we need to do an equivalent of this. This year so maybe next year I could use another artist or about at that time when I'm going to Cata Western Uganda into Kampala. Like I told you, music goes with population. wala Kampala abagana batutira obwingi abanyankole lwagaruka. So if we don't work hard, Uganda is challenging up for Ankole. That's why Diamond is big here, because of Kiswahili. Kiswahili Tanzania na Kenya had an impact on these artists. Wajama kwenda vibe anyatoke anteke cheri so that we get the vibe, because they actually most of the people who are paying 20K, they don't know me. You get it? They're coming to chill because they were Frairo, Mega, Kataleya Kandle, people, they don't have. So MVP has had an impact on him. Education because like I told you, my influence is beyond music. Kuramemba kadani sebaika anisha kushajena bishwe. So nikokuno kulembaga umugoleta razara akazinda abantu na sitaba abantu bashimira ko mbaga yabo kuyango kityata. So by faith tunakora disinzoka yo kwena abantu kiwe ifisha bakirishi keshi. Rasta. Lekimera kuuza nyera kushawo mazina gajimanyikana efuje dansala sasi anyemesho kufusia okushabako okwagala okwo buze tebu babo kibiga ebyo yanti byetuddako emiryango nekula oshazinga. Thank you. Ozizi kubaza ukochanachi. Basically umuntu akuzilete ko already afune communication kumanyisha la shango. Like I told you, the table already sold out. No bagamba na kwa ishi working the table no kumanyisha. So about what time the show is starting, that's not my responsibility. Really, I did because me I like delegating responsibilities. Honestly, I deal with that standard to D3. Yeah, to them which is charged, I don't mean sure. Then it broke out of when we did the job, which said the Monoma. And she did for the last 4 or 5 months. So since what I said, we maybe this with your time, maybe you wait, for your time. So remember, so they not supporting each other more, making something, you set a certain price to attract another price. So usually, I will Bashashura online, people are paying online. Now we're matching, about the tickets physically, but we are going to be having risks. Because after a risk, you pay a risk, then when you go to Shoro, Kagaruka, or hidden by ticket, Yazak Shore, and that is a way they can risk back, or Mokono, or show at your convenience, at your convenience, or Garukomona. But then we told, let's celebrate music in Western Uganda tomorrow, at least let's show. So I did, I have to go and Shazam. So I believe different approaches can help us know new music in the market, and Western is also going to be here. At least they're going to be the performance. So what we know is certain artists, they're going to be here tomorrow. I've performed with most of them. So come here and enjoy your favorite talents. Thank you. Besara tuka. Ako katata tumumaha tunyodia. Yo kanyamo yo msara. Banshabire boku moya bashabire ati obeka na peta shikakika no za interview. So ni pamela kwenda interview abantu aba please designing ebuzo abemura designing ebuzo yotakubiya. So formulate your questions. Itakunyiza umuntu kandi utakwenda promoting a certain person. Position your questions bikuyamba we bakakuyamba. I think they are going to give you a few minutes. Those who have pictures, I think they are comfortable with the pictures. And this pictures are in this evening on your statuses. So we need to grow awareness for this thing. Okay.